Hello everyone! In this video, we will show how to use PCT200i and its accessory named PCT Auto-test Box to test multi-tap CT automatically without rewiring during the testing. This is the PCT Auto-test Box. Firstly, I will introduce the different interfaces on its panel. Number 1 interface is the power cord interface, which support power supply from 85 to 265 volts AC or 110 to 370 volts DC, 47 to 63 Hz. Number 2 interface is the power switch. Number 3 interface is the extended port, which is used for extension function in future. Number 4 interface is the rotate button including 6 gears. The 6 gears includes X1 to X6 options for multi-ratio CT's secondary taps, and the BP gear is related to number 9 burden interface for testing CT's external load individually. Number 5 interface is the other rotate button including 6 gears. The 6 rotary gears can be used to select X2 to X7 taps of CT. In this way, by using these 2 rotate buttons, users can select 2 taps in multi-core CT at the same time for testing. Number 6 interface includes 3 groups of connection ports. One is PCT prime P1 and P2 ports for connection to PCT200i's primary P1 and P2 ports. Another one is PCT SEC S1 S2 ports for connection to PCT200i's SEC S1 S2 ports. The third one is PCT out S1 and S2 ports for connection to PCT200i's out S1 S2 ports. Number 7 interface is for wiring connection to CT's primary side. Number 8 interface is for wiring connection to multi-ratio CT's different secondary taps on different cores, maximum up to 6 taps. Number 9 interface is for testing CT's external load. And number 10 interface is for grounding connection. This is one multi-ratio CT with 2 cores will be used for this demo video. Core 1 has 4 taps and Core 2 has 1 tap. Here is the details of nameplate. There are CT tap, ratio, burden, class of different taps on Core 1 and Core 2. This diagram is the complete wiring map between PCT200i Auto-test Box and the multi-tap CT. The bottom interface is the primary and secondary connection port on PCT200i, and they can connect to the PCT prime SEC out interface as we just now introduced to PCT Auto-test Box. And the multi-tap CT's primary connection to PCT Auto-test Box primary interface, secondary side of different taps can connect to the corresponding ports on PCT Auto-test Box as well. During the testings, user can use the rotate button to select different taps they need to test. No need to change the wirings. Now we can start the wiring connection between the demo CT and the PCT Auto-test Box. First, connect U-clamp to tap 1S1. Clamp to tap 2S1. Clamp to tap 1S2. Clamp to tap 1S3. Clamp to 1S4. Clap to Tab 1 S5. Clap to Tab 2 S2. Now we can do wiring connection between the CT and the PCT Auto-test Box. Two cables from CT's 1S1 to the box X1. One S2 to X2. One S3 to X3. One S4 to X4. One S5 to X5. Two S1 to X6. Two S2 to X7. P1 terminal on CT to H1 in and the P2 terminal on CT to H2 in on primary interface of the box. Now we connect between PCT 200i and PCT Auto-test Box. From PCT 200i's S1 and S2 SAC ports to Auto-test Box PCT SAC S1 S2 ports. PCT 200i's S1 S2 out ports to Auto-test Box PCT Out S1 S2 ports. PCT 200i's P1 P2 ports to Auto-test Box PCT Prime P1 P2 ports. Now the cable connection completed. This part is used to fill the basic report head information before testing, and the content will be showed in Excel report after testing. The software supports IEC, IEEE, and ISCT standard. The IEC standard include IEC 60044-1-6 and 61869-2, and IEEE standard is C57.13, and IS standard is IS 2705 Indian National Standard. According to each different standard, there are corresponding CT types. For example, based on IEC 60044-1 standard, CT types include P, M, PR, and PX. Here is for selecting nominal frequency of CT. T-mirror checkbox is for entering a suitable temperature when testing CT. The temperature entered may influence the RCT test result. IPN checkbox is to select or directly enter the primary rated current of CT by the digital keyboard. ISN checkbox is to select or directly enter the secondary rated current of CT by the digital keyboard. This part parameter setting will be changed according to different CT type options. When select P-type CT, the parameter need to be set here are composite arrow and ALF. When select M-type, the parameter need to be set are CT accuracy class and FS. When select TP type, the parameter need to be set a specific duty cycle, the first current passing time, the second current passing time, dead time during auto-reclosing, transient dimensioning factor, symmetrical short-circuit current factor, specific primary time constant, specific second time constant. This page is the test page for excitation that after testing the result will be shown here. VKN is the voltage of knee point. IKN is the current of knee point. RCT is the secondary winding resistance at current temperature. RCT 75 degree is the secondary winding resistance at 75 degree. FS is instrument security factor. ALF is accuracy limit factor. Composite error. KR is remanence factor. TS is specific secondary time constant. LM is unsaturated inductance. LS is saturated inductance. KTD is transient dimensioning factor. KSSC is symmetrical short-circuit current factor. Peak instantaneous total error. Equivalent limiting secondary EMF. This part is the general result part. This is the CT ratio test page. According to different CT types, the various testing points will be tested and shown result here. This function is used for testing polarity of CT individually. This function is used for testing the RCT of CT individually. This is the demagnetization function. After each testing, PCT 200i will do automatic demagnetization after the characteristics testing process. Here you can also select to do the demagnetization separately without doing other testing together. This function is burden check for testing CT's external load. This is the auto-test page for testing all the characteristics of CT automatically. In the CT test task, users can select one or more or all items for testing. Here is the general basic CT test result part that during the test process, the result will be displayed here one by one. The coarse ratio checkbox is used for a fast check of coarse ratio of CT if it is matched with CT's nameplate or not. Here is the Save Report button. This page is a simple function for testing PT. This is the setting of PT. PT's ratio and the polarity check. PT's excitation check. Report page. Here for selecting the testing result to be saved. This synchronize button is used to save report to external flash disk via the USB port. Synchronize folder button is to save all reports from this PCT200i's local memory disk to external flash disk. Synchronize today's CT report is to save today's CT report only to external flash disk. Report Tool software is the separate report management software which can be used for analyzing and converting reports. Support to be installed on PCT200i local system and on PC. We will show this software later after testing in this video. Compare with the Report Tool installed on PC. The Report Tool software installed on PCT200i's local system is used only for analyzing different testing results, not for report conversion to Excel format. After testing, according to different CT type requirements, the assessment of the CT tested will be automatically done by the software. The first testing is to test core 1, 1S1, 1S2. Rotate S1 knob to X1 gear and S2 knob to X2 gear. Set the CT testing parameters of core 1, 1S1, 1S2 according to the nameplate information. Set the type M and ratio 500 to 5 class 0.2S, burden 10 VA. Go to Auto-test page, select all the test items and then press the Run button to start testing all the functions. The whole test process takes around 40 to 100 seconds and the result will come out one by one. Here is the indication tip in the bottom of the software showing which characteristics is under testing. Now we can see the first result come out is polarity. The next is RCT and knee points values. After that, PCT200i will do demagnetization step automatically. After demagnetization, PCT200i test set will continue to test the ratio and angle phase. Because this type is M-type and with 0.2 S-class, PCT200i will check 1%, 5%, 20%, 100%, and 120% of primary rated current, and then check 100% and 25% of burden. According to the standard, PCT200i software will automatically check 10 points of different burden and IPN. The whole test of M-type CT will take around 100 seconds. Now the test is completed. We can check the result and save the report. You may view the result now. Excitation curve, knee point value, FS value, and others. Click VA data to show VA table. Ratio result. CT polarity. RCT result. Click Report Tool to check report in details with curve. Setting parameter of CT. Knee point, RCT, polarity result. VA curve and VA data. Ratio arrow and angle phase table with curve. Click Exit to back to testing software menu. About the detailed introduction of Report Tool software, it will be shown after the complete testing. Now we rotate S2 knob to X3. Set winding 1S1 to 1S3, ratio 1000 to 5 amps. Other parameter settings are the same. Go to Auto-test page to run the test. Test completed, and we can check result and save report. Rotate S2 knob to X4. Set winding 1S1 to 1S4, ratio 1500 to 5 amps. Other parameter settings are the same. Go to Auto-test page to run the test. Test completed, and check the result and save report. Rotate S2 knob to X5. Set winding 1S1 to 1S5, ratio 2000 to 5 amp. Other parameter settings are same. Go to Auto-test page to run the test. Rotate S1 knob to X6 and S2 knob to X7. Set winding 2S1 to 2S2, P-type, ratio 2000 to 5 amps, class 5P10, burden 15 VA. Go to Auto-test page to run the test. Polarity result is the first result to come out, then RCT, and then knee point values. After that, PCT will do the magnetization step automatically. This core is P-type, so the software will check the points at 100% IPM and 100% burden. Test completed, and we can check result and save reports. Run PCT report tool from desktop. This menu is for analyzing multiple reports and convert report into Excel format at one time, up to 6 test results. This menu is used to convert CT's default.pct report file into Excel report file one by one. This menu is for creating a shortcut of CT report folder at desktop on PC. This is an additional new menu for converting the multiple reports into one comprehensive Excel format report when the test result quantity is more than 7, maximum up to 10. This is the folder shortcut. It can quick open the CT report folder from the software. This menu is used to convert PT's default.pct report file to Excel file one by one. This is for creating a shortcut of PT report folder at desktop. Now we open one report file as an example. Click the menu, it will show a new window. Click Open File to open a report file. Select a .pct file in report folder. This is the setting parameter page. All setting parameters for testing the CT will be shown here. Result page. All tested parameter data will be shown here. This is the excitation curve page. Move the mouse, it will show each point VA value. This is the excitation page for VA data. Ratio error page with limitation dot. Phase error page with limitation dot. Now we select 6 test results and analyze them at the same time. Setting page, click 1 to 6 button will show the settings of each test result. Result page, same function to click 1 to 6 button to check the tested parameter data of each test result. Excitation page, all results will be shown in one window. VA data page, same function to click 1 to 6 button to check different test result. Ratio error page, same function as well. For the CT with P-type and M-type, the test points are different. With M-type, you may see two red reference curves. It is the limitation. The blue and the purple are the tested result curves. According to the reference curve, the correct tested curve should be between two red reference curves. Same in phase error page. The tested curve of CT should be not out of the area of limitation curves. Click Save Excel file to convert into Excel report. Then it will open the Excel file automatically after conversion completed. In this file, you may see 6 CTs reports. Settings are there. This is the result part. Excitation VA data part. Excitation curves and knee points. In report folder, you will find the Excel report is there. Click back to main menu. Now we will demonstrate how to convert single report file into Excel file. You may select one or more or all report files, then click Open to start the convert process. The software can convert the report automatically one by one. It will show progress. The software will open the last one Excel report automatically after conversion complete. In single report file, the assessment of the CT tested pass or fail will be shown. Ratio error, phase errors result, and curves will be shown as well. We can find the 3 new Excel reports converted in the report folder. The last demonstration is to convert report files into one multiple results Excel report when the test result is over 7, maximum to 10. Select the results file and click Open. So now we can see error message popping up because we selected 4 test results less than 7. So when you need to convert reports less than 7 results, you need to use the CT Multi-Result Analyze menu above to do it. This time we select 10 results to convert. It will open the Excel file automatically after conversion complete. The 10 test results are already in one Excel file. All the settings and results are there. We can find this comprehensive Excel report is in the report folder too. Thanks for your watching. If you need any technical support, please contact PONOVO by sending email to support@relaytest.com.